very nice.
What crazy people get up at the butt crack of dawn and come to work on Saturday, huh? We do.
People who need money?
Yeah, afraid so. It's us. We're doing the deed. Serving the customers.
Is that legal to have that forklift in the road?
That might not be legal.
Nothing's legal.
That's
man.
a lawsuit waiting to happen
Okay,
too.
but this is an empty street, so we're good.
You got any cones? You take those 2 cones and put them out here.
We'll get the cones.
Get the cones? I'll get the cones.
We're gonna have to go safety. I don't think anybody's gonna drive down here, but you never know.
That's good.
Just so they can see something.
They put it out more, but
Perfect day, there's no traffic. That's why Jan said today.